Pastor Rachel, and here's my awesome husband, Pastor Jordan, and we are here to show you a Daniel Fast friendly recipe. This is what we're going to be making is Daniel Fast peanut butter oatmeal raisin cookies. It's a long title, but all those things sound really good when they're all together. So the ingredients that we're going to be using today are whole wheat flour, applesauce unsweetened, some cinnamon and ginger. Oh, this is already measured out and stuff. And we've got some raisins and some ripe bananas, water, and did I say oatmeal?
Yes.
Oatmeal somewhere. Because yeah, you can't have oatmeal cookies without oatmeal. So what we're going to start with is you're actually going to get a food processor or a blender or something like that. And you're going to put your ripe bananas, your raisins, and your water in that, and then there you go. Process that up until it gets all nice and mushy.
For about 30 seconds.
Yeah, until it gets all kind of mushy. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. And then you're gonna dump that in a big old mixing bowl. So Jordan's gonna do that, and then we're going to add our whole wheat flour. So once you process all that, you're gonna just dump all of the ingredients in all at once. So there's our whole wheat flour, and here is our applesauce. You want to go ahead and start mixing a little bit. And then we've got our oatmeal. There we go. And then we've got our peanut butter. May need some help getting this. You want to do the natural. This is the natural crunchy peanut butter. Give it a little bit of texture. Yep, perfect. And then we've got our ginger and our cinnamon. That'll give that nice cinnamony taste that's really good in cookies. There's that. And then you're just gonna mix it all up. And then you're gonna make these little, you know, cookie ball little things. There you go. Mixing. You're pretty good at this.
I'm normally the one mixing in the kitchen.
It's true, it's true. I measure out all the ingredients and he does the mixing. Okay, cool, I think that looks good. So then you're just gonna kind of make, you know, just like old-fashioned cookies. You're just gonna kind of roll these guys up little balls and then put them on your cookie sheet. You wanna grease your cookie sheet so that it doesn't get all, you know, sticky on your cookie sheet. Yep, perfect. And you just keep making them. Yes. Should make about 11 to 12 cookies, but you know, if you wanna make really big cookies, you can do that too. Or you make little tiny ones and almost kind of make them like little bites, little snacks. You can do that too. Okay? Real quick. And Jordan.
Yeah, it's pretty messy.
All right. Now we're gonna stick what we've got in the oven. Let's just go ahead and do that. Oh. There you go. Okay, cool. So there we go. So while that's in the oven, we're gonna give you a little bit of encouragement today from the book of Philippians. It says, "But I focus on this one thing, forgetting the past and looking forward to what lies ahead. I press on to reach the end of the race and receive the heavenly prize for which God, through Jesus Christ, is calling us."
Yeah, one thing that's really been on Rachel and I's heart this year is to start afresh and not looking back into 2020, but also even before that, and remembering that this is a new year, it's a new season, that God has new promises for us. So we want to encourage you to start this year with new goals, new promises for your family, for yourself as an individual, for your kids, that you will just start this year, that you'll make a new future and not rely on the past.
Focus on Jesus. That's good. Okay, so you want to try one? We gotta try it at the same time. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Mmm.
Really good.
Really good. Here we go. So, you know, when you're doing the Daniel fast, sometimes you miss having the sweets. But this will give you a little bit of that sweet tooth. Yes, you'll feel that sweet tooth if you're craving something like that. Well, thank you for joining us. Y'all are awesome. We love you so much, North Highland Church.
Love you guys.